Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a quick video. I'm just going to show you what 3D strategies I use to program this part. Okay. So under setup 1, I'm going to click on the arrow. Okay. And it's going to reveal the strategies. Okay. And the first one is the parallel toolpath. I use a 1/2 inch pre-flute compression bit for roughing. Okay. And the last one is the scallop toolpath. And I use a 1/2 inch 3-flute ball Endmill. Okay. So let's check out the first one, the parallel toolpath. I'm gonna right click, edit, and where it says shaft and holder, this is gonna be, I don't have to check this one, I'm just gonna uncheck it. Alright. Under geometry, I selected this profile right here, the chamfer. So under machining boundary, where it says chain, I'm gonna click on the X to clear that out. And I'm gonna select this edge there. I'm going to double left click on it to open the contour, and I have this edge highlighted in blue, which means it's already selected for me. So I'm going to continue selecting this edge, zoom out, zoom in, and this edge. Okay. And I'm going to click on the green plus sign. All right. And where it says tool containment, I have tool center and boundary, contact only checked. Under height, I'm just going to skip that. Under passes tab, where it says maximum step down, it's set to 4 millimeters. Pass direction is set to 180 degrees. Step over is set to 4 millimeters. Direction both ways, up down milling, both. Okay. And the last tab is the linking tab, and the lead in, the lead out. Everything is set to 10 millimeters. I'm gonna click OK. And the last toolpath is the scallop. So let's check this one out. I'm gonna right click, edit, and under geometry, it's gonna be the same selection as the first one. Tool containment is gonna be the same as the first one. Tool center and boundary. And where it says additional offset, I have 3 millimeters, and I have checked contact only and machining areas using boundaries. Okay. I'm gonna skip the height tab, and the next one is the passes tab. I have a step over of 2 millimeters. Direction set to both ways, and up down milling set to both. Okay. And the last tab is the linking tab. Everything out here down here is set to 10 millimeters. Okay. I'm gonna click OK. That's all I did, guys, to program this part. Okay. Let me post process this program. I'm gonna right click and post process. Okay. This is the program name and the program comment. Okay. It says 1/2 inch pre-flute compression for roughing, and a 1/2 inch 3-flute ball Endmill for cleaning. Okay. Let me post this program. Let's go to Woodwop. File, open. There's the program. open. Okay. And the first macro is the roughing. All right. That's the 1/2 inch 3 flute compression bit. And the second macro is a 1/2 inch 3 flute ball Endmill. That's the scallop toolpath. Okay. And this is the program in Woodwop 5.0. Okay. So guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And I'm gonna have just a small clip of me running this part on a machine. Okay, so you guys wanna check that out. And thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Peace.